Welcome guys, this is Jason Gold and welcome back to my next video. Today, remember I told you guys about the TV thing, yeah? It's basically, I had a new one coming but it wasn't working. So it's basically, this TV there, yeah? I'm gonna test this TV, yeah? I'm gonna test it if it's better or good, because right now this TV is old. This TV came out in 1945 and that is very long ass time. So yeah, let's try and check it out, and yeah. Besides, this TV just keeps turning off automatically, so that really probably pisses you off, but don't worry. I'll do it, and yeah. Alright, so let's get started, and yeah guys, don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to comment below what you think about the video. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, first, the power button is there. This TV, yeah, it's really annoying me because it's really not turned on. Hey, I don't know why guys, maybe because it's not plugged in. Now try it. Wait, what? What's going on there? This TV, man, have I just got the wrong plug, guys? Because I don't know why it's just mucking about me. That's be one of the reasons why. Right. It was working before, you know. I don't know why it's not working. God. There we go. So yeah, guys. You see what's going on? Let me see what about that stupid ass TV. The hell's going on there? Alright, you can go and fix it, guys. Okay, so a screwdriver or whatever, something sharp. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh. Right, guys, so apparently this TV, yeah, it's like, apparently, yeah, it just don't know, sometimes it doesn't work, and, yeah, sometimes, if you're back in the hell? Okay, I don't respect that. What's going on? Wait, usually, it switched off itself. The fuck? Turn back on, guys. So guys, this is kind of TV like it just keeps on stopping working. Like basically, if you get that TV, yeah, like because back in the 1940s. So it's basically, yeah. Guys, this TV is fucking useless. So yeah guys, I'm gonna throw this TV out my fucking bin now. So yeah guys, you comment below what you think about this TV because I don't know why it keeps switching off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, I love you and peace out.